Using Bookmarks and EcoStruxure Control Expert can help you navigate through your program, and secondly, trace your logic when troubleshooting. First, how can Bookmarks help us navigate? This programmer wrote the entire program in 521 contiguous lines of logic. What a nightmare. I know there's a silo on this piece of equipment, and I need to find the logic. So I can scroll up, or I can use our bookmarks. To use bookmarks, they're under the Tools menu and Bookmarks. So I've created several bookmarks, and I'm interested in silo control. So rather than scrolling, I can simply select silo control. And then I can navigate easily through the program. And let's say now I want to create a bookmark. This is quite easy. Go into the margin of your logic, right-click, and toggle bookmarks. I deleted that bookmark for temperature mapping, so I'm going to toggle it. I'm going to rename this bookmark Temperature Mapping. So you can see how easy it is. Now, the second benefit of bookmarks is troubleshooting. I have a timer here, and you can see this timer's not running. So let's say it should be. I need to find out why. So I will select my bit that's keeping the timer from running, and I will search for its coil. And there it is right above. You can see that the search generated a bookmark automatically. So let's keep following this logic until I resolve this issue. And I search for this bit. And I keep going back.
This is a preview file. For example use only.
And all of these bookmarks are generated. It will automatically generate up to 30 bookmarks. So let's say this is the issue, and for some reason it never came on. So I'm going to set the value to a 1. Now I can retrace my steps to see if I resolve the issue. Simply right-click, go to my previous bookmark, right-click, and you'll notice Shift F2. So I'll go to my previous bookmark, and then I will use my Shift F2 and go back, and you see we were able to resolve the issue. The timer is now timing.
This is a preview file.
A couple of things. Bookmarks are not part of the they are part of the internal Control Expert database. They do not export, they will not archive, and they are not stored in the PLC. Secondly, if you clear all your bookmarks, there is no undo. There is no are you sure? So don't get mad at Control Expert. Get mad at yourself for not watching this video in its entirety.
For example use only.